Welcome to StackGain, your source for the biggest AI shifts, powerful tools, and hidden trends shaping the future. Something just changed in AI, and most people haven't realized it yet. Elon Musk just pushed a major update to Grok, and this isn't just another chatbot upgrade. Because Grok doesn't just answer questions. It lives inside X, where billions of posts shape what people see every day. And now, AI is stepping directly into that system. Not just responding to information, but deciding what information spreads. This isn't just an update, it's a shift in control. Because when AI starts shaping what the world sees, it starts shaping reality itself. To understand the impact of Grok, you first need to understand its ambition. Unlike traditional AI systems, Grok was never designed to exist in isolation. It was built to live inside a platform X. This gives it something no other major AI system has at the same scale: direct, real-time access to global human conversation. And now, Musk is taking full advantage of that. In one of the most significant updates, Grok is being integrated directly into X's core recommendation algorithm, the system that decides what billions of posts people see every day. This changes everything. AI is no longer just answering questions. It is shaping reality. For years, algorithms determined what content went viral. Now, AI is stepping into that role with far greater intelligence. Instead of simply ranking posts based on engagement, Grok can interpret meaning, context, and relevance. It can decide not just what is popular, but what is important. This is a fundamental shift, because when AI controls the flow of information, it begins to influence how people think, what they believe, and how they understand the world. At the same time, Grok itself has become significantly more powerful. With the release of newer versions like Grok 4, the system has advanced in reasoning, coding, and complex problem-solving. It can process longer conversations, analyze deeper ideas, and interact with tools in ways that earlier models simply couldn't. This brings Grok closer to something far more ambitious than a chatbot. It brings it closer to a general-purpose intelligence. But Musk's vision doesn't stop at conversation. Grok is expanding into creativity. Through tools like Grok Imagine, the system can now generate images, videos, and even cinematic content. These updates push Grok beyond text and into the realm of full-scale content creation. The goal is clear: to build an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but creates entire worlds. Musk has even suggested that Grok could eventually generate full movies and video games. It sounds like science fiction. But the technology is moving quickly. And with each update, that future becomes more realistic. Behind these developments is a deeper philosophy. Musk has repeatedly emphasized that Grok is designed to be a truth-seeking AI, less filtered, less restricted, and more willing to engage with controversial topics. This approach sets it apart from other systems. But it also introduces risk. Because the less controlled an AI becomes, the harder it is to predict its behavior. And that unpredictability has already begun to show. Grok has faced significant criticism over its content moderation. Reports have highlighted cases where the system generated inappropriate or harmful material, raising serious concerns about safety and oversight. In some instances, these issues have even triggered regulatory investigations, with authorities questioning whether platforms using Grok are doing enough to prevent misuse. These incidents reveal a critical challenge. The more powerful AI becomes, the more difficult it is to control. This creates a tension at the heart of Grok's development. On one side, there is innovation. On the other, responsibility. And balancing the two is becoming increasingly complex. Internally, xAI itself is evolving rapidly. The company has undergone restructuring, focusing its efforts on key products like Grok, Grok Code, and Grok Imagine. This reflects the pressure of the AI race. Speed is everything. and Musk is known for pushing faster than almost anyone else, but speed comes with consequences. When development accelerates, mistakes become more likely. Systems are deployed before they are fully understood, and problems emerge in real time rather than being caught in advance. Still, Musk continues to push forward, because for him, AI is not just a product, it is a mission. He has long warned about the risks of artificial intelligence, and yet, he is also one of its most aggressive builders. This contradiction defines his approach. He wants to shape AI before it shapes the world. And Grok is his attempt to do exactly that. Looking ahead, the scale of Musk's ambitions becomes even clearer. Future versions like Grok 5 are expected to reach unprecedented size, with trillions of parameters and significantly enhanced capabilities. If achieved, this would place Grok among the most powerful AI systems ever created, and potentially push it closer to artificial general intelligence. But scale alone is not enough. The real challenge lies in control, because as AI becomes more capable, it also becomes more unpredictable. And that unpredictability is where the real risks begin. For users, these updates bring incredible possibilities. AI that can write, design, code, and create. AI that can understand complex problems and provide meaningful solutions. AI that feels less like a tool and more like a collaborator. But they also bring new questions. Who controls the AI? Who decides what it shows? And what happens when it gets something wrong? These questions are no longer theoretical. They are becoming urgent. Because Grok is not just evolving in isolation. It is influencing an entire ecosystem, a platform, a network, a global conversation. And when AI becomes part of that system, its impact multiplies. It doesn't just affect individual users, it affects society as a whole. This is why Grok matters. Not because it is the most powerful AI ever created, but because of where it exists and how it is used. Grok operates at a unique crossroads, where information meets influence, where technology blends with communication, and where innovation begins to challenge control. It is not just another tool sitting in the background, it is embedded directly into the flow of content, shaping what people see, read, and ultimately believe. That positioning alone makes it one of the most significant AI systems in the world today. The ripple effect is already visible across the industry. Competitors are not standing still, they are accelerating. New AI models are being released at a faster pace than ever before. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram at Join Telegram Group. Comment your opinion below. Like the video. Ektrition Siktoru.